Hi, my name is Jason, and representing with my team, Aime, Roshini, and also Mama Shawa. We want to talk about the production of biofertilizer using Chlorella vulgaris algae and rice husk as a sustainable agriculture solution. Now, let's take a look at the photo. Picture this. Imagine under the scorching sun, a farmer pouring all this chemical fertilizer just to hope for a bountiful harvest at the end of the season. Do you know all these chemical fertilizer are actually toxic and can cause more harm than good in the long run? Here's where we come into play. EcoGrow, the future of farming. Now, our vision is to create a sustainable agriculture system, not only helping the planet to nourish its nutrients, but also to protect our delicate ecosystem. Now, who are we, what we do, why are we so important? We are actually the future of farming, where we help to achieve the mission to transition chemical fertilizer to biofertilizer. How we do that? We actually manufacture biofertilizer, and this fertilizer actually can achieve our second mission is to increase the crop production and its quality. And our third statement for our mission is actually foster sustainability and environmental stewardship. And how do we do that? We work with local farmers to custom their need and to manufacturing all the biofertilizer to help them to transition from the chemical fertilizer to our fertilizer.
Hi, my name is Amy. So I'll be continuing on problem alternative. Okay, the problem we're facing now is currently climate changes, soil degradation, chemical dependency, natural leaching, and water scarcity. The opportunity of using EcoGrow basically is it has a high carbon dioxide circulation during its growth. The algae fertilizer has a high level of nutritional rich, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Third one is organic sustainable, whereby algae-based fertilizer are natural and environmental friendly. Okay, the fourth one is water conservation, whereby algae-based fertilizer have high water holding capacity, reducing water requirement for irrigation and combating water scarcity. Okay, the last one is enhanced crop resilience and acts as bioagent control or biopesticide, whereby some algae species have natural pest repellent properties, reducing the needs of chemical pesticide. Okay, algae-based fertilizer also improve crop resistance to environment stress such as drought, disease, and salinity.
Hi, I'm Roshini Ravindran. I'll be presenting about the novelty and the value propositions that best suits our product EcoGrow. Firstly, it is environmentally friendly as it serves as a replacement for conventional and chemical fertilizers. This helps to mitigate water and soil pollution and directly contributes to the natural equilibrium of ecosystem. Next, our product is cost effective and easily accessible to all range of farmers, ranging from small to large scale. Its affordability and availability makes it a practical choice for farmers seeking sustainable and efficient agricultural practice. Next, our product also helps to reduce the climate changes by increasing the carbon storage in the soil through this fertilizer, thus reduces the greenhouse gas emission effect. Besides, our product also helps in increases crop yield and enhances the quality of the soil health by improving them, and also it enhances the water retention and also reduces the dependency of chemicals. Finally, our product EcoGrow is considered to be chemical free and safe, as it is free from toxic, ensures the safety of crop and environment. So chemical free and safe value is considered one of the top most value in our product. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and greetings to dear Dr. Ros Azlin and fellow audience. My name is Muhammad Shawal Kamaruddin. As Managing Director of the company, will continue for the background of the technology in the production of biofertilizer by using Chlorella vulgaris algae as main ingredient with addition of rice husk materials. The process involves three critical stages, by which the first one is the massive commercial cultivation of Chlorella through the raceway ponds. Under this type of cultivation will provide us with the minimum daily biomass yield of 2.5 gram per liter per day. Then it proceeds into the several procedures, including the flocculation, flotation, filtration, gravity sedimentation, and centrifugation for a thorough dehydration technique using a global industrial algae dryer machine. As a final product of the dried Chlorella vulgaris, we didn't just stop there, as there are new innovations made by R&D teams to make it like an inclusive in market by the combination of the rice husk of agricultural waste that's scientifically proven for enhancing growth and development of the crops, along with the sustainable and supporting environmental health. Finally, the product being packaging into specifically designed containers as it is ready to be commercialized. Thank you. Next.
So let's move forward towards the business model framework. So how do we generate our revenue? So it's actually through sales and production, where we actually produce our biofertilizer EcoGrow and selling it directly to the farmers and also to the market. And a side revenue is actually through the licensing technology and also partnership agreement. We actually collaborate with local manufacturing plant to actually produce our fertilizer and to sell them. So we'll get a small side revenue from that, and also encouraging more people to actually pick up our product. And other than that, we also do consultation service where actually consult farmers or agricultural plantation where they actually want to design our fertilizer to actually biofertilizer to actually custom for their need. And the activity that we do here is not is actually first is doing the research and development of our product, collaborating with our local research institute. Second is to manufacture and production, where we actually look at the logistic and design and how can we improve on it. And the third is actually to maintain our customer engagement relation, where we actually follow up in the post-sale service. So for future longevity, to help more people and encourage them to pick up our product. As for our cost, mainly it will be driven by the cost of raw material, but that is actually the most minimal cost because we are using local agricultural waste rice husks as part of our production. And second is to be using our cost is including the product development, where we have to package and also distribute our logistic. And the last is through marketing and promotion to raise more awareness and to penetrate into the market.
So there are a few factors that need to be considered while performing competitive analysis, and it should be done continuously in a business. Firstly is to gather the market size and growth, as gathering infos on the market trends, demand projection and specific regulations will be helpful to forecast the impact and the level of competition that our company EcoGrow need to compete with other companies out there. Next factor is to identify the competitors from the same industry. The competitors company from overall the world includes Novozymes, Biomax Natural, Camson Biotechnologies, and also AgriLife. There are actually a lot more, but these are the topmost companies that also keeps their main product as a biofertilizer. This is because exploring their product offering, pricing strategies, market share of the company will give some idea on how to prepare our EcoGrow to stand among the competitors. Next factor would be product differentiation factor, such as nutrient composition, organic certification, mode of action, and also ease of application that is set to EcoGrow should stand out comparatively to other competitors' company, as this would be a selling point for EcoGrow. Next would be the production, quality control, and cost efficiency factor. Considered factors such as raw materials, sourcing, manufacturing techniques, production capacity, and the economics of scale. Efficient production process can give us competitive advantages in terms of pricing and supply capabilities. Other important factors include marketing and branding, regulatory, environmental standards, and also understanding the customer base, which will help to niche segment that makes EcoGrow well positioned. Finally, by tackling all these competitive analysis factors, we can then easily target out our customer segments, which includes farmers and agricultural producers, horticulturists and gardeners, sustainable agriculture initiatives, and also not forgetting the small-scale farmers. Thank you.
Next, in the company marketing analysis by the SWOT analysis shows that the company offers a great potential as a competitive organizational as well local and globally. EcoGrow biofertilizer is essential as an ecologically sustainable, nutrient-rich, and cost-effective material that is generated by putting waste into the beneficial use. Therefore, our company could perform various collaboration and partnerships with other research institutes and government that provide such grants and incentives to induce the manufacturing and operation process. Somehow, as a new existent product in market, the product has a low market adaptation and our company has lack of knowledge. The biofertilizer also has a short shelf life compared to the other commercial chemical fertilizer, along with the low production capacity with lack of resources. Furthermore, the external surprising growth factors are contributed by the highly competition from a huge and common use chemical fertilizer manufacturers. Also, the tedious of certification for regulatory compliance requirement and advancements technology at a fast growth rate. Thank you. Next. Then currently EcoGrow is in the prototype development stage, where it includes experimentation, testing different formulations, refining the product process, and creating samples product to demonstrate the feasibility and functionality. Our plan for next 5 years are valid market validation, secure funding, scale up production, market penetration, and product diversification. For our long-term goal will be to become a globally recognized leader in sustainable materials and contribute to the transformation of fertilizer industry. To achieve those materials, we need to excel in market expansion, research and development, sustainable supply chain, and partnership. Finally, the potential resources that we may need includes expertise and talents from specialized sector, chlorella material supply, R&D facility, and secure funding. Thank you. Next.
Hello, so moving to the team. Okay, our team have 4 divisions under the management team, which be the first one, Managing Director and Financial Director under Shawar, whereby he will conduct the progress strategy direction and leadership to the company, develop and implement business plan on objective, managing financial planning, budgeting, and forecasting. Okay, the second one is Research and Development Director, which is under me, IME. Okay, I will conduct leads the research and development activities of the company, identify market trends, and also technological advancement relevant to the business. The third one is Marketing Director, which is under Roshini, whereby she will conduct development, implementation, marketing strategies to promote the company's product or services, and also conduct market research and analysis, customer trends and preference. Okay, lastly is Operation Director, which we conducted under Quek Jason, okay, whereby he will conduct, oversee daily operation and ensure smooth functioning of the company, develop and implement operational strategies and process to maximize the efficiency.
All right, thank you everyone for listening our presentation, and that's all from us, EcoGrow, the future of farming.